How to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance, or how to transfer any coin, or how to withdraw from OKX. I will explain in detail in this video. Although I am going to transfer USDT, but if you watch this video fully you will understand that you can transfer any coin. I have some coins on OKX in USDT 21 USDT. I am going to transfer from here to Binance. To transfer USDT from Binance, you have to go to Binance. Click on Wallet option. Click on View or Spot. Click on Deposit option. Click on it and coins will be displayed. You can select your coin. In my case, it is USDT. If you can't see the coin you want to transfer, you can search and add it from here. I can see USDT here. I will click on it. I have these networks. It is important to take care of network. It is important to select the network. It should be on the same sense. Let's suppose Binance has BEP20. I will copy the address. If it is not on OKX, I should not copy it. Here is BEP20. There are Polygon, Solana, TRC20. I don't know which one is on OKX. I have to check on OKX. I have opened OKX. I have clicked on Withdraw option. I have to transfer USDT. I have selected USDT. I have to select one chain. I have to select one chain or on-chain. I have to select one chain or on-chain. I have to click on Withdraw Network option. You will get networks which are available on OKX. Here is not BEP20. Here is TRC20 and Polygon. TRC20 is $1 and USDT is 80 cents. You can see from here. Polygon estimated time is 7 minutes and USDT is 8 minutes. I have chosen Polygon because it has low fees. I have to go to Binance. I have to check the address of Polygon. I have to select Polygon. I have to copy the address. If you have copied the address of Polygon, you will select Polygon. Selecting SAM network is very important. Otherwise your transaction can be wrong. If you want to share with a friend, you can share on any social network. I have copied the address. I will come back to Spot Wallet. I will select Polygon. I will select Polygon. I will select Polygon. I will paste the address. I will confirm the address. I have copied the address of Polygon. You can add as many amounts as you want. I will click on Max option. I will add all my USDT. Here you can see the fees. You have to click on Submit option. Here is a potential risk warning. You have to read it carefully. You have to confirm the address. You have to enter the verification code. You have to enter the email and mobile number. You have to enter the phone number. You have to enter the mail code. You have to click on Confirm option. The request has been submitted. You can click on the Withdraw Details option. It is pending. In some time, your USDT will be received on Binance. You can see that my USDT is received. You can transfer it from OKX to Binance. Or withdraw it from OKX to Binance. If you want to sell it through P2P, you can watch the video in the description. You can transfer it easily. I have explained it in detail. You can sell your coin risk-free. Thanks for watching and goodbye.